So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Zik Analytics. Zik Analytics is the product research tool that we are going to be using throughout this course, and it's absolutely amazing, definitely a must-have. And this tool is going to be the tool that we use to find other eBay dropshippers, others who are dropshipping from AliExpress, and we're going to be using their success to our advantage, and Zik Analytics is going to be the tool that actually helps you do that. So just to let you know guys, that you do get a 7-day trial, which used to be free but no longer is free. It's $1 for 7 days. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create an account, and remember guys that you need to go through my link, which will be in the description of this video. The reason being is if you go through my link on your first payment, after that, it's after the 7-day trial of $1, it's $29.99 a month. However, after your first payment, if you just mention to them that you are a Financial Freedom Network student or you're from the Financial Freedom Network, they will go ahead and refund you $5. They'll check that what link you joined through and it was my referral link, and then they will refund you. So definitely join through my link, which will be in the description of this video. So when you click on create account, it will just ask you for your details. So enter your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you what package to select. I would recommend you go for the monthly plan at this stage. It's $29.99. If you do have the funds, then you're definitely going to be saving the most amount of money by paying for it yearly. However, this is what I recommend at this stage. Then just click select plan, and it's then going to say start your 7-day trial. So click on start 7-day trial. And then you're going to need to log into your PayPal. Just go ahead and log into your PayPal and pay that $1 to go ahead and start using it for 7 days. If you ask for any other information, sometimes it may ask you for VAT information. If you're not VAT registered, that's absolutely fine. Just enter a bunch of random digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's absolutely fine. And then once you are logged into Zik Analytics, it will look something like this. You can switch over to this dark mode that I'm over here. It will actually look like this. However, I prefer it on the dark mode. So if I click on that, it will go ahead and switch it over to dark mode. Now I'm just going to go over a few settings, and then these settings are important, so it'll help you manage everything a little bit better. So click on settings, then click on my settings. So make sure all your information is correct and everything is pretty accurate. And then you want to click onto search preferences over here. So you want to put China over here. Select date, sale date range 30 days, listing type fixed price, and then condition brand new. Save preferences. Then click over to store settings. Over at store settings, doesn't really matter what store you select over here. Store site United States, because most of these sellers will be in the United States, so we're going to compare to the United States. And then you want to click on US dollars as well, because we're going to be comparing against the US market. Click on save changes. No stores have been connected, that's absolutely fine. Competitor settings. Then you want to select seller site United States, seller currency US dollars, and then the competitor range is 30 days. Click on save changes. Integrations, you don't need to worry about that. And then click on the dashboard button over here, which is this little I button over here. And then scroll down. One thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go ahead and download the Google Chrome extension. So the Google Chrome extension is over here. Just click on that, and it will take you to the Google Chrome page. Go ahead and install it. Now, once you have installed it, you should have the Zik Analytics, Google Chrome extension over here. If you click on it, make sure that you click country, United States, competition check, match title, Vero check on. Click save. You are pretty much ready. Over the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to do the product research, how to do the competitor research, and then how to effectively list items onto your store. And then as the course goes on, I'm going to be teaching you more advanced techniques, more things that you need to look out for, and hopefully by the end of this course, you will pretty much know everything that you need to know about eBay dropshipping. Not just from product research, not just about listing items, not just how to fulfill orders, but you will understand how eBay works as a platform. You will understand some of the best practices. You will understand how to deal with customer service issues. You will understand how to deal with certain business issues, and you will be managing a fully fledged business by the end of this course. Let's go over to the next video.